Welcome to this picturesque 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom home that perfectly blends comfort, functionality, and natural beauty. Situated on a sprawling 2.87-acre lot, this property offers a unique lifestyle with a shared serene pond, featuring bluegill, catfish, sun perch, and bass, a large versatile workshop that is being used as a 4th bedroom. It has water running to the workshop, and a charming cabin, including a bedroom, bathroom, kitchen and laundry hookups and storage behind cabin, also with its own private road, all just steps from your doorstep. This unique property is ideal for those seeking a blend of rural tranquility with no neighbors on either side of home and modern convenience, offering endless possibilities for living, working, and enjoying the great outdoors. Don't miss the chance to make this exceptional home your own.